I'm Cetera, a jewelry designer. In this series, we're learning matrix step by step, and this is episode 17 of the beginner's course. If you're into jewelry design, you're in the right place. The Extrude Curve Straight tool is used to create a solid by extruding a curve in a straight direction. You select a closed or open curve, then pull it along a straight path, usually vertical or horizontal, and it becomes a 3D shape with straight sides. Quickly building basic shapes like rings, panels, bases, creating clean, geometric forms, foundational for many jewelry models, especially modern styles. Extrude all under solid greater than extrude lets you extrude multiple closed curves at once into 3D solid. Instead of extruding each shape one by one, this tool turns all selected closed curves into solid forms in a single step, saving time by extruding multiple curves simultaneously. Quickly building repeated or similar shapes. Great for creating bases, bezels, or repeated elements in jewelry design.